Introduce us, Chris.
I am Chris, the safari leader today.
Woo!
That's my introduction.
Yeah! Rock! You rock!
That's the troll. Nick! Shnerj, introduce yourself.
I'm Shnerj.
And I'm Kyle. Everyone walk that way. I want to get a long shot.
I'll tell you about our predicament. We've been walking, no food, nothing, no civilization, nowhere to stay, no cabins out here to stop and give supplies. But we'll make it. This guy's my witness. We will make it.
Hey, I don't like standing under these.
Shot! It's been 6 days.
I thought it was 30 days back there.
We've been on the same trail. That's the same, whatever the thing's called. What's the electric thing called?
Power lines?
No, the big tower thing. What are those called? That's
Power
our
lines?
The electric thing.
Alone in the Basement TV question of the day. What are those things called? I forgot.
Power lines!
Do we go this? Yeah, do we go here?
Shnerj, you take a right. Shnerj, you take a right. We all go forward.
Come on, Shnerj.
Turn it.
See, guys.
That is the way to the hills have eyes.
Bye, guys.
Yeah, it's like I've been alone for 6 more days. Hey, look at that! I just caught up to them. Okay, cool.
Where have you been?
Yeah.
I have
Welcome
vertigo.
to the cliff.
I have vertigo. We did it.
Look, there's a train
Do
coming.
we go cliff diving?
I have no idea what that is. I really have no idea what that is. They just put that there like a few months ago.
YouTubers, question number 2. What is that?
Don't drop the camera.
Isn't that a solar panel?
It looks solar, but
I mean, yes, solar
what's it
panel, but what's
for?
it? Yeah, what's it for?
Every day it's a getting closer, going faster than a roller coaster. Love like yours will surely come my way. Hey, hey, hey. Every day.
What's with whenever I sing, a dog
Yeah.
barks. We found it. We found the cheap dog. Just kidding. I'm not gonna poke it.
I know you're not going around it.
Can I have a cowboy
Get
hat?
away.
Can I have a hat?
No.
One hat.
Hey, why did you get the cowboy hat?
No.
I told you this would happen. This. Where were we? I went at the cliffs on both sides.
Yoda.
Yoda, don't look at me that way. Don't look at me that way, Yoda.
I wish we filmed all of that. Gosh, that was so good.
Found the Lord. Civilization! Like you guys filmed the Lord.
I did.
Like Jesus! Oh my God! Cloverfield! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! It's Cloverfield! It's a touchdown! Oh my God! Run for Jesus! Oh my God! Yoda! Yoda! Yoda, are you okay? Yoda! Oh God, Yoda! We're not gonna make it to camera! We're eating some good food tonight, boys. We'll cook, we bring them dinner. Yeah, there we go.
Every time at the worst places, it comes without fail.
Wait.
baby. I don't care if you call me a baby. I'm a huge baby. Get me a bib or something. I hate you.
Get me a baby. Pass by.
Ah, my knee.
Look, I'm just so easy.
The rocks, it hurts. Oh god, it actually really hurts. It's like piercing my knees.
Spider
Nick, Spider Nick.
Is it actually easy to go
does
up there?
whatever Spider Nick can. Spin the web. There it is. We've done it. We've made it to the ridge. Okay.
action.
Alright, so like I was saying, we've got the sun.
Yep.
We've got the creek.
Yep.
We've got the railroad.
Yep.
I always need an idea. But it'd be better if we actually had, like, someone else here.
Yeah, that would be nice.
What are you doing?
I'm covered in mud.
I blame you. Bring us out here for this.
It's the hat. The hat caused everything. And now Kyle's wearing the hat when he gets out.
Yeah.
So anyway, so yeah, aren't we supposed to, like, show us, like, walking on the railroad? Man's like,
gotta
Trust me, we have plenty of us walking on the railroad.
well, we gotta come across the man going, don't go down that road.
What are you doing around here, boys? What are you doing around here, boys? Dun, 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 dun. What are you doing around here, boys?
We're coming here to film a video. It's for school. We didn't know anybody was here.
Oh, where are you headed?
We're headed down to the bridge. You know,
Oh, don't go down that road.
why not?
There's an old man. He lives down that road right there.
What's wrong with him?
He's got a horn. Boo-boos. He's a soccer fan.
I'm gonna punch you! 3, 2, 1, undo twat! Alright, let's go. Don't laugh. Think if your dog dying.
That's what I was doing. What are you doing on here, boys?
We're going to go film a video for school. We didn't know anybody was here. Why are you such a freak?
My dog. What are you doing down here, boys?
We're gonna go film a video.
A video.
Yeah, it's for school. I'm gonna kill both of you. I'm gonna kill everybody here. I'm gonna kill everybody.
And action.
What are you doing on here, bar? You gotta be louder.
Keep going.
What are you doing on here, bar? We're filming a video. We're just like, we didn't know anybody's over here. It's like for school.
Don't go down that road, no.
What's wrong with that road?
There's a man, an old man, walks down there. He used to have his horn. Horn gone silent. But the man.
Nick, no one's gonna understand what the hell.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about.
Come on.
Let's go. Action.
What are you doing around here, boys?
We're gonna go film a video. We didn't know anybody was here.
Don't go down that road. That road used to be a man, an old man. He used to have a horn. Horn's gone silent. But that old man still inhabits that road down there. I'm serious. Don't cry now.
And action.
What are you doing down here, boys?
We're gonna film a video for school. Like, we didn't know anybody was here.
Don't go down that road.
Why?
Used to be a man. An old man. Used to have...
It sounds like you're saying there used to be a mine. An old mine.
What are you doing on this road, sweet cinnamon titties?
Nick! It's not the line!
It was funny that way. It was funny. It's a lot
We've been
funny.
here. The sun is gone. The sun's gone. Screw it. I'm done. I'm going. I'm going back home.
Come on! No, I quit. Come on, it's funny. You guys just make it all crappy.
It's like, well, I quit too.
I liked it.